Relationship with my wife was, we were at sort of a, it goes sometimes in valleys and hills and everything like that, and we were coming into a valley.
It seems like it's not at full mast. It's just kind of, usually it's at half mast. It's not working well.
It's strange because I got married last fall, and it's a little weird because you hear stories about people's sex life dying out in a marriage, and you never expect it to happen within 8 months.
Hello, my name is Dr. Alexis Vasquez, and I am a board-certified practical clinician in Florida. As a clinician and researcher, I am constantly investigating new solutions and supplements that I can share with my patients to help improve the quality of their lives. And that's why when I came across Pro Solution pills, I was surprised and impressed. The makers of Pro Solution have taken some of the most powerful natural ingredients proven to enhance the male libido. Prescription medication is reserved for men with more advanced erectile difficulties, and that is truly the real advantage of using Pro Solution pills. There is no waiting for a prescription to kick in. You can finally be confident knowing you're using the right combination of natural ingredients that will preserve, maintain, and enhance your libido in both the short and long term. As a doctor, I am very critical of many products available today, but I strongly recommend Pro Solution pills without any reservations.
I started taking the Pro Solution pills, and the energy went up and the confidence went up. It's sort of back like when we first started dating, and we were kind of can't keep our hands off each other, which is kind of nice.
I'm having bigger, harder erections. I'm able to have longer sex. I feel better. I have more energy.
Before, sex may have lasted 10 minutes. Now, I'm able to at least go a half hour.
I last longer with Pro Solution than I ever did before. I think it allows her to get more sexually involved as opposed to me just banging it out and being done in a few minutes.
I would recommend Pro Solution to anybody who wants a natural alternative to any of the possibly dangerous prescription drugs.
It was like getting your battery recharged.